Hello. So I'm going to show you how to edit the album. For that, you need to first navigate to the album edit page and you can view that. So basically there are templates and you can edit any of it and you can also view it all together. So first you need to add some image. So you can click on directly from here. Also you can just like upload the image. It will upload it automatically to these saved images and you can drag and drop it and use it. So basically first you need to like add some images. Like I'm gonna add in this image, then I'm gonna add this image. So you can add different types of images of your dad and you can write some personalized messages. You can edit this. Also you can like change the font style. You can reduce the size, you can make it bold. So anything you can do it. Also you can like change this element position. Suppose you are not liking this from here, you want to reposition to here, so you can do it. Also you can add different kind of like new pages in between these pages. Like you can click add above and you can choose among of these and it will add in between them. And also you can add below it. And after that you can add a music. Like there are like some default musics, but also you can upload your own music from here. And you can set a music, like select it and done. Then you can preview it. And also you can like customize your domain or slug. Like suppose I'm gonna give it a name like for you dad, and you can save it. So this is how you can edit your album. You can share this link to your papa and wish him, and also you can also make it a private link. You can set a password. You can give it to him. So this is how you can like create or memory via this album, and also you can share it. So thank you so much.